Did you know that overwatering is the #1 cause of death for aloe vera? Aloe vera are desert plants. They are used to the drier conditions of the desert. They are not used to being watered as often as your average houseplant. In this video, we're going to go over when to water your aloe vera, how to water your aloe vera, the signs of underwatering an aloe vera, and the signs of overwatering an aloe vera, and some more information that'll help you understand on how to water your aloe vera. First, we're going to dive into when you should water your aloe vera. You should water your aloe vera when the top 2 inches of the aloe soil is dry. You want to do this in the morning so any excess moisture on the leaves or stem would have evaporated before the night. This is because that excess water could cause rot. Aloe veras can easily be overwatered. If you're not too sure that the soil is dry or damp, I recommend waiting 1 to 2 more days before watering to make sure that it is dry. Since they are a succulent, I recommend staying on the dry side of things. And also, they are quite drought tolerant. Now to the fun part. Here's how to water it. What you'll want to do is use a watering can with a long, narrow spout. This is to avoid the heavy splashes of water that will compact the soil over time. Next, poke the spout into the soil next to the plant. This helps avoid excess water getting onto the leaves and stem, which may cause rot. Water deeply until water flows out of its pot drainage holes in the spring, summer, and possibly fall. This is when it's growing the fastest and can use more of the water it's been given. In the wintertime, you'll want to water it more lightly and less often as it won't use the water as much. It is recommended to not use treated tap water as it could cause mineral buildup in the soil, which aloes are sensitive to, so it's recommended to use distilled, filtered, or rainwater instead. Now that brings us to signs if your aloe vera is being overwatered or underwatered. If your aloe vera is being overwatered, signs include brown mushy spots, brown mushy leaves, swollen blisters that may resemble bubbles, yellow leaves, black leaves, droopy leaves, soft browning leaf tips, mold and or gnats on the soil, soggy soil, leaves that become transparent, and the sudden collapse of the plant. You may want to pause so you can process this information. Signs of underwatered aloe include leaf edges that start to curl inward, dried out leaf edges, dried brown leaf tips, wilting leaves, shriveling leaves, soft leaves, very dry soil, dry shriveled roots, yellow leaves, and the one that I see on my aloe is it'll get a bit pale near the end of its leaves. You may want to pause the video to process the information. Oh, and also, feel free to screenshot this. As you may have noticed, some of the underwatering symptoms are quite similar to the overwatering symptoms. I recommend doing some research to make sure you know which one you're doing, so you can save your aloe. Make sure to check out my aloe vera playlist on my YouTube channel to find out more information on caring for your aloe. I hope this video helped you know how to water your aloe correctly, and if it did, please consider subscribing, liking, and ringing that notification bell so you won't miss out when I upload new content. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.